Lower na siya.
Kasi nga lang ang isip.
Check natin. Baby ha. Tanong ng lower should. How about that one? More pa more. For a while lang na.
Excited, oh.
Oh, I think okay na. How about this one? So you can put your chin here, ha? And then your agdang. Okay, ha?
Wait, I see something.
Yeah, look at the balloons, okay?
I see the blue.
Lagi, don't talk. Don't talk yet.
Okay.
Okay, don't talk yet, ha? Para makuha natin yung grade, okay?
Your side.
Mm. Don't close your eyes.
Just for a moment.
Open your
ha?
eyes.
Just open your eyes.
Okay, okay, don't blink.
Stop
ha?
blinking
Open
your
your
eyes.
eyes, big eyes. Okay, almost. Big eye. No. Okay. Next eye. Okay, blink muna. Blink sa muna saglit. Okay, now, for a while ha. Okay. Don't blink. Okay, open your eyes wide. No, open lang.
Siga, Jude.
Okay na? Okay na?
Thank you.